Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to simplify this. So as we can see in this question, we have four signs, that is addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. So the question is that from where we start solving this question. So we have the rule, BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS, first we have to solve division. So the division sign is in between 4 and 2. So 5 plus 2 divided by 4 is 2 times 2 minus 3. So after division, there is a multiplication. So multiplication sign is between 2 and 2. So 5 plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3. Now it's addition. So addition sign is between 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. The final answer for this simplification is 6. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.